Look at it now. Wow. Eh?
Hey. Come back here.
What's that?
Come back here. Can you imagine this girl? Why did you pass this into my hand?
And what's wrong about that? I just passed my call card to you, so why are you raising your voice?
Funny, can you believe this girl? You passed your call card to me. For what? What am I supposed to do with it?
Calm down, relax. You're a cute man, of course. I like you. Calm down. Why are you acting like this?
Young lady, are you insane? Are you blind? Can you not see that I'm walking with my wife?
Is there anything wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that, of course. Calm down. You're a cute man and everybody knows that.
I'm a cute man. Is that how you do? You just walk along the road, you see people that are cute and you just start handing out your call cards to them. Eh?
Relax. I like you. What's this?
You like me?
Excuse me.
No, babe. Just don't worry. Don't worry yourself. I know her type. Allow me handle her.
It's funny.
There's something wrong with you. You have no home training and you have no respect. No respect for yourself and no respect for other people. You see a man with his wife and you have the guts to play this kind of game. Let me tell you, in case you don't know who I am.
Who are you?
My name is Khing. All right? I don't cheat on my wife.
Okay.
I love my wife so much and I will never do anything to hurt her.
Okay.
So in case somebody sent you to me, go and tell the person that it's not that man, that man loves his wife too much. Do you understand what I'm saying?
It's alright.
Don't try this kind of nonsense next time. I don't understand why you would try a silly thing like this. Look at a young girl like you. You can get any man you want. You're beautiful. Go and look for a single man. Don't come after men that are already married or hooked up with someone.
It's okay.
Even if you didn't know I was married, you can see that I'm with a woman here. Don't you respect your fellow woman?
Relax. I quietly slid something into your hands without anyone noticing, and you started escalating everything. Relax. You're not the only married man on earth. So why are you acting up? Why being so dramatic?
Okay, maybe I'm the only married man who doesn't cheat on his wife, okay? So please, don't ever try this nonsense with me again next time.
It's fine. It's okay.
Just be on your way before I get more
it's okay,
upset.
please. Stop.
Look at you, looking for families to destroy. Demons.
Just take a look at her. You came to seduce my man.
Hey, look at her. Look at how skinny she is. Can you compare yourself to my wife? Look at you.
You made me a proud woman.
My love, you know that I would never cheat on you.
I'm sure you will never cheat on me. Thank you so much for making me proud.
It's okay. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Come, let me open the door for you.
No, I just want to start at the back. I want to feel so comfortable.
Alright, that's fine. Whatever you want.
Yes, my love.
Hello? Is this Lillian?
Yeah, hello.
It's King.
The same man I met this afternoon with his wife.
Exactly, the man you gave your call card earlier today along the road.
So why are you calling me back after the embarrassment you gave me today?
Lillian, calm down. Calm down. Come on. You should be smarter than that. What you did earlier was not called for. I was with my wife. I don't know whether she saw when you slipped that paper into my hand. So I had to play that game. Look, I knew exactly where I threw the paper. I came back to get it now so I can call you. I like you too. You're a very pretty girl. And of course, I want to have fun with you.
It's fine. It's fine. So, are you free now?
Not doing anything.
Okay. Can you meet me up where I am now?
Yes, I can meet you up. Where are you?
I'm at Sunshine Lodge. Just come right away, okay? Let's go somewhere to have some fun.
I'm coming right away. What else am I doing? I'm coming right away, all right? Be ready for me. We're gonna have a good time. Hello, Lillian. I'm in front of Sunshine Lodge now. Should I come in? Wait here for you? All right, I'm waiting. All right.
Are you surprised? King,
Babe.
the most holiest and thou.
Honey, what are you doing here?
My sweet man. The man that has never cheated on his wife. I'm so proud of you, you know.
Of course.
You're so sweet.
Of course,
you
my
keep
love.
making me a proud woman.
Yeah.
You know what? So what are you doing here?
I came to see Chief Omego.
Oh, Chief Omego.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, I told you I was supposed to meet him the other time.
Yeah, you did. You
So
did.
when I called him and he said I should meet him up here.
So what if I shock you to tell you that the Lillian you called over the phone, I put her up to that. I mean, we both set you up. Yes, we both put you to test. Yeah, and you failed woefully.
Baby.
Don't baby me. Don't baby me at this point. So this is the kind of human you are? So this is the kind of man you are?
My love,
See, I don't want to get provoked right now because you're really triggering me. You're pushing me right now.
baby, why would you even set me up like this? What's
Okay,
the point?
why would I set you up like this? I thought you claimed that you're holy, that you don't cheat, that you're this, that you're that. Oh, you really disgust me right now.
But you don't know why I
You
called her.
disappoint me. Shut up your mouth. You stink. So this is you, for real.
My love, I'm sorry.
Don't call me your love because one more minute you call me your love, I will get something and deal with you right now.
I'm sorry.
I am disappointed.
I'm sorry. This is
upon
the first
everything
time.
you claim to be to me. Oh, you've been pretending all this while.
No, I haven't. My love, I love you.
Stop
I love
calling
you
me
very
your love.
much.
See, let me tell you, you disgust. You stink. Look at you.
Baby, stop saying these things now. You know that I love you. You know.
You were in my
I just made a
presence.
mistake.
Saying things down against that lady, not knowing that we both set you up.
It's a mistake.
It's not a mistake. It is who you are.
No, it's
That
not.
is who you are. Shut up. I am disappointed. Just stop it. Since this is what you want to start doing, don't worry. I think we'll play this game very well. Rubbish.
My love, please. It's the first time, oh. I've never done this before. I swear. Hey, how can I fall for such a cheap game? Ooh. Hey. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.